Pasadena, Texas, is known for its hot summers, humid climate, and occasional severe weather, including thunderstorms and hurricanes. While these weather conditions contribute to the area's unique character, they can also take a toll on your home, particularly your windows. Windows are one of the most vulnerable parts of your house when it comes to weather damage, yet they play a critical role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and security. Understanding how Pasadena's weather impacts your windows and learning how to protect them can save you money, prevent damage, and keep your home safe and comfortable year-round. Here's what Pasadena homeowners need to know. How Pasadena's climate affects your windows. Pasadena's subtropical climate features long, hot summers with high humidity and brief, mild winters. The region also experiences sudden and sometimes severe storms, including hurricanes and tropical storms during the season. These weather patterns can affect your windows in several ways. Heat and sun exposure. Intense Texas sun and high temperatures can cause window frames and glass to expand and contract, potentially leading to warping, cracking, or seal failure. UV rays can also fade window finishes and damage wooden frames over time. Humidity and moisture. High humidity levels increase the risk of moisture buildup around windows, leading to condensation between panes, mold growth, and wood rot. Moisture can also degrade weather stripping and seals, reducing your window's effectiveness. Storm damage. Hurricanes and thunderstorms bring heavy rain, strong winds, and flying debris, which can damage or break windows that aren't impact resistant. Water intrusion during storms can cause interior damage and promote mold growth. Temperature fluctuations. Even mild temperature changes can stress window materials, especially if your windows are older or poorly maintained. Signs your windows may be weather damaged. Recognizing early signs of weather damage can help you address issues before they worsen. Drafts or cold, hot spots near windows. Difficulty opening or closing windows due to warped frames. Visible cracks or chips in the glass. Condensation or fogging between double or triple pane glass. Peeling paint or rotting wood around the window frame. Water stains or mold growth on walls near windows. Damaged or missing weather stripping. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to inspect your windows closely and consider repairs or replacement. How to protect your windows from Pasadena weather. Protecting your windows from the harsh Pasadena climate involves proactive maintenance, choosing the right materials, and investing in quality window solutions. Install impact-resistant windows. Impact windows are designed to withstand flying debris and high winds, making them essential for Pasadena homes. These windows provide superior protection during storms, reducing the risk of breakage and water intrusion. Choose energy-efficient windows. Look for windows with double or triple glazing, low E coatings, and gas fills between panes. These features reduce heat transfer, minimize condensation, and improve comfort by keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Use durable window materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist moisture, warping, and fading better than wood in humid climates. These materials require less maintenance and hold up well against Pasadena's weather challenges. Maintain seals and weather stripping. Regularly inspect and replace worn or damaged weather stripping to prevent drafts and moisture infiltration. Proper sealing is critical for energy efficiency and protecting your home's interior. Protect window finishes. For wooden windows, apply protective stains or sealants designed for exterior use to prevent rot and sun damage. Regularly repaint or refinish as needed. Clean and inspect regularly. Keep window tracks, frames, and glass clean to prevent dirt buildup and moisture retention. Routine inspections help catch minor issues early before they escalate. Consider storm shutters. In addition to impact windows, installing storm shutters can provide an extra layer of protection during hurricane season. Professional maintenance and replacement. While homeowners can do routine cleaning and inspections, professional maintenance is essential for long-term window protection. Professionals can perform detailed inspections and identify hidden damage, repair or replace damaged seals, weather stripping, or hardware. Recommend and install impact windows and energy-efficient replacements. Ensure proper installation that meets local building codes and maximizes weather resistance. Benefits of protecting your windows. Investing in window protection and maintenance offers multiple benefits. Enhanced comfort by reducing drafts and temperature fluctuations. Lower energy bills due to improved insulation and reduced heat gain, loss. Increased safety during severe weather events. Prolonged lifespan of your windows and reduced repair costs. Improved curb appeal and home value. Conclusion. Pasadena's unique weather presents challenges to homeowners, but with the right knowledge and proactive care, you can protect your windows from damage and enjoy a safer, more comfortable home. Investing in impact-resistant, energy-efficient windows made from durable materials, coupled with regular maintenance and professional support, ensures your windows withstand the elements while enhancing your property's beauty and value. If your windows are aging or showing signs of weather damage, consider consulting with a local window specialist who understands Pasadena's climate and building requirements. Protect your home by choosing the right windows and caring for them properly. It's a smart investment that pays off in safety, comfort, and savings.